Alexa, launch Rocket 1.
Launching initiated. 3, 2, 1.
So hello guys and welcome back to my channel Plosive Logix. Today we are building something exciting, a voice controlled rocket launcher powered by ESP32. With 3 relays, we'll control 3 rockets, and the magic happens when Alexa takes command through Sinric Pro. By the end of this project, you'll be able to say,
Alexa, launch Rocket 1.
and watch it fire. Let's dive in. So before we start coding, let's look at the hardware. We'll be using an ESP32 microcontroller, a 3-channel relay module, or you can use separate relays like this. Jumper wires, some electrical wires, nichrome wire, a 12-watt battery, and of course our rocket base. The ESP32 will send signals to the relays which act like switches to trigger each rocket. Here's the wiring diagram. ESP32 pins connect to relay inputs and the relays control the rocket launchers. Now if you have bought all the components and connected them according to the circuit diagram, let's set up Sinric Pro. So guys, we are on the dashboard of Sinric Pro and let's add devices without wasting our time. So let's go to devices and then add device. The device name will be Rocket 1, description Alexa rocket launcher. Then you can enable notifications from there. It's your choice. If you want to enable, then you can enable. Then this is the auto off function. This is a really very important function because if we tell Alexa that turn this device or this rocket on, then this feature will do, then it will turn the device off after a few seconds. So this is a really very important feature which I thought, because if we make any other function to or we have to code it, so that's a really very messy thing. So it is provided by Sinric Pro, salute to them. And we have turned this feature on. You can adjust the seconds from here. Let's go to other things. I think this is optional, and then save this. We have got the device ID, app key, and app secret. And if let me tell you a thing, that app key and app secret are actually default, and these credentials do not change. And if you want to change it, you have to do a special thing. I don't know how to do it, but yeah, that's a really good thing. Now, without wasting our time, let's add other devices. Okay, we have done it. So let's go to dashboard, and you can see that Rocket 1, Rocket 2, and Rocket 3, these all 3 rockets or all 3 devices are on the dashboard now, and it shows the status also. So these 3 of them are offline and none of them are online. Okay, now as you can see, all of these things are done. Now let's go, and without wasting our time, let's go and make codes, and I will show you how it works. Now it's time to code. Open the Arduino IDE and make sure you have installed ESP32 board support. Add the Wi-Fi library, Sinric Pro library, and Sinric Pro switch library. In the code, we'll connect the ESP32 to Wi-Fi, authenticate with Sinric Pro, and assign each device ID to a relay pin. When Alexa sends a command, the ESP32 will turn on the corresponding relay. Remember the credentials we got from the devices? Paste them wherever mentioned so. Now upload the code. Once done, check if the relays respond when we turn the particular devices on. Now that Sinric Pro is ready, let's connect Alexa. Open the Alexa app on your phone and click on More icon. Now tap on Skills and Games, then search Sinric Pro. On top, you will see the Sinric Pro icon. Tap on it and enable it. Now it will navigate you to the authorization page to link Alexa and Sinric Pro. Now enter the same email which you entered it in Sinric Pro. Alexa will enable Sinric Pro and automatically search for the smart switches we created in Sinric Pro. After a few seconds, you will see Rocket 1, Rocket 2 and Rocket 3 appear in the Alexa app. Remember that it will discover the devices only if the account of Sinric Pro is same from both the ends. Now that the devices are connected to Alexa, you can simply say, Alexa, turn on Rocket 1. Now instead of saying Alexa, turn on Rocket 1, we'll teach Alexa custom commands. Open the Alexa app, go to Devices and select Rocket 1. Scroll down and tap Create Routine. Under When, choose Voice. Then type your phrase, for example, launch Rocket 1. You can add similar phrases like fire Rocket 1 to make it flexible. Next, tap Add Action. First choose Alexa says Customize and type a response like launching initiated. Then add another action, Smart Home, plugs Rocket 1 and then on. You can add other actions according to you. Finally, give your routine a clear name and save it. Repeat the same steps for Rocket 2 and Rocket 3. Now Alexa will respond to your own launch commands. Now that everything is ready, let's test this out. So guys, as you can see, I have put the all circuit on a box so that it is really very safe. So now I will power this circuit with a 12-watt battery. So I have a suggestion that you have to power the relay comms with the 12-watt battery, and it should be directly connected to the power supply of 12-watt battery so that it can give the power supply continuous, and the rocket launcher's negative terminal is directly connected to the power supply. So let's run this code. Let's try. Okay, Alexa, launch Rocket 1.
Launching initiated. 3, 2, 1.
Alexa, launch Rocket 3.
Launching initiated. 3, 2, 1.
Alexa, launch Rocket 2.
Launching initiated. 3, 2, 1.
Now that everything is ready, let's see it in action. The setup works perfectly, smooth, responsive and exciting. And with that, it's time to celebrate this new year with innovation and creativity.
Alexa, launch Rocket 2.
Launching initiated. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Launching initiated. 3, 2, 1. Launching initiated.
shot.
Launching initiated.
Alexa, launch the shot.
Launching initiated.
This wraps up our voice controlled rocket launcher project. Enjoy your new year. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our projects coming soon. See you in the next video. Keep experimenting, keep innovating. This is Plosive signing off.